Hi guys. Can you hear me? Hello. Okay, good. Um, we're gonna start, and I I just need to tell you guys one thing before you get started. Um, Hi Eli. Um, Make sure you tell us that you're here, like when you come in, and then I need the comments to stop unless it's about what we're talking about. I do not need you guys to answer each other, okay? And you definitely do not need to be talking about anything else. It is very distracting. I'm gonna wait till everybody understands what I'm saying because some people are still coming in and not listening. This is math. This is math, yes. Um, so you need your math book out. Um, I don't think we'll be on that long. I had to move inside because of the weather, but the Bible lesson was um, very distracting because there was a lot of people talking. Caleb, you need to tell your sister she cannot be on here. So tell Hannah that she does not get to be on here. Otherwise, she will. I'm gonna block her, and she cannot come on here. Nobody needs to be talking about anything except the subject that we are on. Nobody needs to answer each other's questions. I can do that. You don't need to do it. This is our school. This is our classroom. Remember, we've had this conversation before. About 5 weeks ago, I had the same exact conversation with you. That that this is our classroom, and if you were in the real classroom, you would not be answering each other's questions. You would be raising your hand and it would be quiet while I'm teaching. So you guys need to be doing the same thing here. As you guys are typing and talking, other people are reading that and they're not focusing on what I'm talking about. And it's showing in some of your tests and quizzes because you're not focusing on the reviews and you're not focusing on the lessons because you're focusing on what other people are saying and doing in the chat. I don't want to disable the chat because then I have no way of knowing that I have to have you all email me every time you watch something, and that's going to be not fun. But so you guys have to make sure your eyes are focused on me, and the only thing I will ask you is that if you tell us when you get here, you could type that. And then if you need to say something about the lesson or answer questions about the lesson, that is okay. You don't need to correct each other. That's not your job. That's my job. Miss Palmer's on the other side of the screen too. She can do it. It's not your job. And also, you just need to listen, especially during Bible time. You don't definitely you don't need to be correcting each other. Bible time's a good time to listen. Um, so everyone understands, right? We're not going to be talking and telling each other things. We're going to be listening to the lesson. And if you can't do that, I'm going to block your comments because it's very, very distracting to me as I'm trying to teach. I see all these comments popping up. I don't want to see those. And they have nothing to do, a lot of times, have nothing to do with the lesson. And Bible, some of you are very guilty of it. So please make sure that you're following what I'm asking you to do. Okay. All right. So um, we are going to talk about checking our change today. We are still working with money. So remember when we do change, Um, we do 2 ways of doing change. Remember, you want to do when you go to a store, you get the fewest coins, and you always start with the smallest coin and work your way up to the biggest coin. Okay, so one thing you want to make sure is that you check your change. Um, you want to be honest in the eyes of God. So if you get um, not enough change, um, you need to be able to check, is this correct? Um, uh, Otherwise, if you get way too much change back, people are only human when they're counting out money. One time I bought a pack of gum and I bought DVD and I paid with a 20 and she gave me, it should have been, and I should have got like, it was like the DVD was like 10 and the pack of gum was probably like $1. And the cashier gave me back like $18 in change. And I went to my car and counted my change and I was like, Miss Palmer, can you hear me? Miss Palmer? Is it okay? Okay, good. Is it better? Better now? Okay. All right. Okay. So let's look at page 249 in our book. Okay. Because we want to check. A wise customer always checks their change before leaving. Okay. So we're just going to see if this is good change. Okay. So go to page 249. 249. We're just going to put a check mark if this is good change or not good change. So this is what the customer bought, $2.57, okay? And they paid with $3, okay? And they got 43 cents back. And the clerk gave them 1 quarter, 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. Is that correct change? Yes or no? Is that good change? Is it good? Yes or no? Good? Good change? You pay $3, you get 43 cents. We're on page 249. 249. Yeah, that's good change, right? It's fine. Check. Put a check. It's correct. Yes. You paid with $3, you get 43 cents. That is only three, four, five, 6 coins. So that's fine. That's hardly any coins. It's correct. Put a check mark. It is good. Put a check mark in the box. It's good change. How about the next one? You paid $3.06 and you gave the clerk a $5 bill, but you get 94 cents back. And they give you 3 quarters, 1 dime, 1 nickel, 4 pennies. Is that good change? $3.06. No, no, that's bad change. You did. No, that is not correct, right? That is bad change. So that is a thumbs down. Do not check that box. That is not correct change. You would have to talk to them, right? All right, next one. You pay $1.29 for something and you pay $2 and you get $1.71 back. Woo! You made some money. Is that good change? No. You need to do the honest thing, right? And go inside and say, my change is more than what I paid. So I have to tell you, you gave me more money. So some people would be like, I'm keeping the change, but in God's eyes, you go and tell them that you gave me too much money and you will be blessed. That is a no, that is bad change. All right, next one. $7.50. And you give the clerk $10 and you get $2.50. You get $2 bills and 2 quarters. Is that good change? Is that good change? Yeah, that one is good change. That is a good change. Yes, thumbs up. Um, that is, you only got $2 bills and 2 quarters. That's good change. It's correct. Everything's fine with that one. That is correct change. They did good on that one. And you got exactly what you should be getting. Last one. You paid 78 cents on for something and you gave them a $5 bill and you get $4.32 back. You get $4 bills, 1 quarter, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. Is this good change? Is it good? The last one in that box, is that good change? The last one? No. Yeah, it is not correct. It is too much change. Too much money. Again, you're not getting the right change. That is bad change. So that is a thumbs down right there. That is a thumbs down. So again, you just want to make sure that you are with our money, that you're just checking and making sure that you always are checking your change. You know how to count your money. Um, a lot of people use cards nowadays, but there is something called real money, and you might need to use it once in a while. So you got to make sure you know how to count your money. All right. On the front part, I already told you how what you could cross out. I want to go to the back side. Go to page 250. And we're going to do section 4 together. So go back there to section 4. And let's review this section. Section 4. Go to section 4. Okay. All right. Section 4 says, oh, section 4. Okay. Random fact right now. Um, a random fact. I'll tell you what Lily's middle name is since I already told you Henry's. Lily's middle name is Amelia. Her actual full name is Lillian. So her name is Lillian Amelia. So her Henry, I told you at Bible. So Lily's middle name is Amelia. That's a random fact for math class if you're watching this later. It says in math what you could cross out. You could cross out the greens. Number 6 on the back, which is the scale problems. And in section 2 and 3 on the front, you could cross out problems A and C. And we're going to do section 4 together. And in section 5, you could cross out A, C, and F. A, C, and F. Okay? All right, let's go through section 4. Okay. All right. All right. What metric units? Now we're talking about like kilo, milli, centi, deca, those. Which one means 1,000? What's 1,000 mean? What abbreviation? 1,000 means what? I see Belle wrote it down already. What means 1,000? Kilo, very good. Kilo means 1,000. Very good. We're doing section 4. If you already did it, you can just check and make sure it's right. All right, letter B. What one means 1/1,000, or we're talking decimals, thousandths? Which one means a thousandths? Thousandths is what? Thousandths is the abbreviation milli. Very good. I'm giving that one to the Harjani twins. I don't know which one answered, but they got it right first. Harjani twins. Thumbs up. All right, who's going to get this one first? 1/100, 1/100, hundredth, breakfast. Yes. Oh, Jessica. She got it. Good job, Jessica. All right, next one. 10. 10 is what? Decca. Good job. Jacob Stone. He got that one. Good job, Jacob Stone. Decca. All right, 110. 10th. 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 1/10 is Desi. Oh, Belle. Belle, you got that one. Belle. Ballerina got that one. Good job, Belle. All right. How about 100? 100. 100. 100. 100. Oh, good job, Sammy. Hecto. Hecto. Okay. This one is a little bit, you got to think about it. Okay. What did we learn about measures length and distance? We're talking about the metric system. So what measures like, oh, Belle, she's got it. Meter, girl, she has it. Meter. That meter. The meter measures length and distance. Good job. Meter. All right. This one. What weighs a little more than 2 pounds? Let's see. Oh, Belle. Belle got it. Kilogram. Kilogram. Good job. All right. And the last one. What is a little more than a yard? A little bit more than a yard. A meter. Yes, a meter. Woo. Woo. Yeah, uh, Jacob Milam, did you really move to Pennsylvania? I want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. Did you really move away? I have your binder. I hope you didn't move because I have your state notebook. Oh, you're still here? Okay. When are you moving? I need to know. Okay. Everything else that you can do, and you should gross out. Some of you are already probably did math, so I'm gonna let you go, and then we will July. Okay, so I can still get your binder to you this summer. Sounds good. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna let you go, and then I'll see you at 1 o'clock for language. Peace out. I love you all, and I'll see you at 1 o'clock. Go on RunWeb to see what to cross out because it's on there. I already put it in RunWeb for math. So, bye. I'll see you at 1 o'clock.